Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I'm back. Guess what we're doing tonight? Well, I got a big old cheese pizza from the food pantry. I also have leftovers from the barbecue, and at the end of the video, we're going to show you the excerpts from the barbecue. Finally, I get to show it. Also, I have a big surprise, well, a little surprise. Guess who my cameraman is?
Boo! I'm back. Remember the nostalgic Jay? He's back in action.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Hold on, we must get that face in recap. Recap.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, continue.
So, this is really easy and something fun you can do with the kids. I have got here some green peppers.
And, if I might add, they're seasoned with wonderful Italian seasoning. And, if you notice, there's purple onions mixed in.
Yes,
and
there
white
are.
onions.
Yes, there are.
We're spreading that on the pizza. We're
Yes,
spreading
we
it on the
are.
pizza. We are spreading it on the pizza. Also, I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to manage it with other videos. Thing is, we've just been so busy. And thank you for our almost 750 subscribers.
Yeah.
It really helps out a ton.
Yes. But we need more. More.
You do mean food and subscribers.
Yes, yes. So, we've got that. Now I got my veggies on, right?
But seriously though, isn't it a milestone we've come all this way?
Just in
It was almost 6 months ago.
I know.
Such a milestone. Almost
know.
750 subscribers.
I
It would
know.
be so great if you guys could smash that subscribe button so we can make it to 1,000 subs. And for the next 3 videos, from when we hit that 1K, we will put out 3 exclusive videos, all dedicated to Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef. Da-da-da-don, da-da-da-don.
He is so cute. He is.
Meanwhile, let's get back to the pizza.
Now, guys, all I'm doing is spreading on my pizza sauce. Just a store-bought sauce. Okay.
Not sponsored, but it's Prego.
Yeah, not sponsored. But if they want to sponsor me, they know where to find me. All right.
Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm kind of in my pajamas, and Chris is in his pajamas too.
No, don't show me.
We're kind of just vibing.
We have, like I said, some leftovers from the barbecue. I've got some steak. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
See, if you're not familiar with Chicago, this is a street food. It's called garbage pizza.
Ew.
Yeah,
Who wants garbage pizza? Well, actually,
Yeah.
many people.
Yes.
Especially people who are on a budget, like good old Uncle Chris, the food pantry chef.
That's true.
And also,
Yes.
it's not really the best considering that it's steak for low sodium, but
Well, no, I didn't put salt on it. Okay, I put on some leftover chicken, barbecue chicken that we had from the barbecue,
and tomatoes.
and some tomatoes. Now, how garbage pizza got invented? Well, a lot of the pizzerias had a lot of leftover stuff, and so they decided just to throw it on the pizza. It would be whatever, and it would be the special of the day. And they called it garbage pizza because everything went on it. Everything but the kitchen sink.
Yeah, you might not want to throw in a giant hunk of metal and ceramic and, crack your teeth while trying to eat it.
All right, now I am throwing on some wonderful button mushrooms.
And quite literally, these do quite look like buttons. Here, might I add that I'm going to be spreading on the rest of them.
Go right ahead.
Actually,
All right.
I'm going to pick these 2, personally, out in different spots. And there's number 2.
Now, I'm not putting this on Jay's side because he does not like these.
They're called the infamous jalapenos.
Yes, I'm putting some jalapenos on my side.
Make sure that it's very limited to the back, because that's one of my only weaknesses, jalapenos.
All right.
Now, I might like the 4,000 Scoville unit spicy noodles, but they have a lot more flavor than a jalapeno, so that's a different story.
Oh, that's what you say. All right. We are sprinkling
Mozzarella cheese. We all like the
over
cheese.
the top. Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Chris, might I ram in?
Oh, yes.
We gotta put a little bit on the neglected side.
Look at the collector. Well, remember, there's cheese under here, too.
Yeah,
So
that's
you
all
get
it's
2 layers.
Here, take a look. Layer number 1. Layer number 2.
It's snowing cheese. Oh, yeah.
Maybe that's why he has that.
Hey.
Cut! Bleep mean.
All right, let me just put this here. All right. Now, nieces and nephews, we are going to put this in the oven, and we'll be right back.
Till the next cut. Oh my! Hold on. Wait a second. What happened to the pizza? Is it in minuscule form?
Jay, it's
No,
over here.
it's right over here. Look at the grand result. Chris, can you maybe get out the light? Look at the grand results. Look at that.
And
And look at
this.
these huge chunks of cheese. Most importantly. Ta-da!
All right, nieces and nephews, the pizza came out lovely, as you see. And look at this piece right here. Oh, yeah.
This is awesome.
All right. So it shows you can do it real easy, real fun. And stay to the end. We're going to show you the excerpts of the barbecue. All right. We're about to eat.
Yeah, we'll be right back.